Hello everyone, welcome to another video on our channel. Today, we're continuing with the development of our Notes app in Flutter. In this session, we'll be working on the noteservice.dart file. This file will connect to Supabase, our backend service, and will handle all note-related operations based on the logged-in user. That means, each user will only see their own notes. They will be able to create, read, update, and delete notes securely. All actions, like saving a note, deleting it, or updating it, will be synced through Supabase. Think of noteservice.dart as the brain behind your notes. It takes care of how notes are managed in the background, keeping the user interface clean and focused only on what matters. Follow along with the steps on the screen to build this functionality in your own app. Let's get started. Now, click on the file we created earlier note_service.dart and follow the steps with me. Write the code exactly as I write it. I'll start by writing a bit of the code, and then I'll show you the complete version. I'll also break it down into smaller parts so that you can pause and play the video as needed, making it easier for you to follow along and write the code yourselves. I'm doing it this way so I don't overwhelm you with too much information at once.